狗眼看人低，狗眼看人低。
It is similar to the previous idioms about dog. The meaning of this idiom is also not good. Actually, most of Chinese expressions related to animal, especially dog, are used to comment or scold people. This idiom is used if you think that you are looked down by someone. You can comment him or her with this idiom. Its direct translation is dog's eyes look people down. A similar English expression is to act like a snob. The idiom is quite vivid, for dog's eye level is normally very low. It is normal that dog looks down everything. For example,
嗰個所謂二世祖狗眼看人低，俾貼士好似俾錢乞衣咁。嗰個所謂二世祖狗眼看人低，俾貼士好似俾錢乞衣咁。
In English, it means the so-called trust fund baby looks down people. He gives tips just like giving money to beggar. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.